Hello friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. And in this video we are testing that this is my Portronics Mport View 3 and it is have 10 inputs like USB, type A, type C and micro SD card. Then here is LAN port, VGA port and HDMI port and 3.5 mm jacket and 100 watts supported type C charging slot. So that's guys, in this video we are testing that this is my Portronics Mport 1 mouse and I'm connected here. You can see here I'm already connected the stick here and this is my keyboard. You can see here this is my keyboard. And which company is this? I forgot this company actually. I don't know which company, but actually it's a normal USB keyboard. You can see here, and we also connect that here. I'm showing my 3 lights. Okay, going to 6. No, actually, so you can see here I'm connecting this also. Okay, then I connect my OnePlus 70 here. Opening my notes, new note, then connecting this device. Okay, it is connected and you can see here light is blinking. So I'm going to turn on my mouse here. It is actually turned on and standby mode. So you can see the pointer, how much big is this. Okay, I'm just typing with my keyboard. Where is it? Okay, just click 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So that's working. And also I'm selecting that just by using my mouse. You can see here I'm selected that. You can simply cut or copy. I'm going to cut. So this is working. Okay, my keyboard and my mouse is working. So that's guys very simple tutorial. In this video we are learning that Mport View 3 support on my OnePlus 70 keyboard and mouse. Okay, and all of the ports are working. You can check my previous videos like LAN port is connecting, everything is working. So that's guys very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can simply watch, understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.